Exploring the nature of life has long captivated philosophers who have approached this profound question from various perspectives. To add a touch of whimsy to the inquiry, let's embark on a lighthearted journey through different philosophical views, each accompanied by an entertaining analogy. From superheroes and recipes to buddy cop movies and dance parties, these imaginative comparisons shed a humorous light on the philosophical musings surrounding the essence of life. Vitalism. Picture life as a superhero movie. According to vitalists, living organisms have this special vital force that makes them stand out. It's like having a superpower that non-living things envy. So, while a rock might be sitting there wishing it could fly or shoot lasers, living beings get to enjoy the perks of having that it factor. Materialism. Imagine life as a recipe. Materialists say that life is just a mix of ingredients like atoms and molecules. It's like baking a cake, except instead of sugar, flour, and eggs, you have carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So the next time you take a bite of that delicious cake, remember that you're essentially devouring a slice of scientific materialism. Dualism. Think of life as a classic buddy cop movie. In dualism, you have this odd couple pairing of the physical and the mental realms. It's like a tough, no-nonsense detective, the physical, being forced to team up with a quirky, unpredictable partner, the mental. Together, they solve crimes and make life interesting, just like in the movies. Existentialism. Imagine life as a choose-your-own-adventure book. Existentialists believe that life is all about personal choice and creating your own meaning. It's akin to being the protagonist of your own story, flipping through the pages and making choices that shape your destiny. So grab that book, choose your adventure, and enjoy the wild ride of existential exploration. Process philosophy. Picture life as a dance party. Process philosophers say that life is all about movement, change, and interconnectedness. It's like hitting the dance floor, where you constantly adapt and respond to the rhythm and flow of the music. So put on your dancing shoes, embrace the process, and groove to the beat of life. Holism. Think of life as a puzzle. Holists emphasize the interconnectedness of everything. It's like trying to solve a massive jigsaw puzzle, where each piece represents a living being or element of nature. Only when all the pieces fit together perfectly do you get the complete picture of life. So, grab your puzzle pieces, gather your friends, and enjoy the challenge of putting life together. While these lighthearted analogies may not capture the full depth and complexity of the philosophical views on life, they offer a playful lens through which to contemplate the nature of existence. Whether we envision life as a superpowered adventure, a delectable scientific concoction, an oddball partnership, a thrilling choose-your-own story, a dynamic dance floor, or a puzzle waiting to be solved, each perspective invites us to reflect on the diverse facets that make life such a fascinating and wondrous phenomenon. So, let's embrace the humor and creativity inherent in these philosophical viewpoints and continue our exploration of life's mysteries with curiosity and a smile.